would like to thank you all my subbies, and I'm really grateful for all of your time to watching my video. I wish all of you have a healthy and happy New Year. I know now it's not New Year, but it's the New Year. This is my item I ordered online. This item I ordered before New Year, and it won't get shipped until today. I received it until today, and this is from Hermès. Let's open it. And actually, this item I ordered online. I want this item for a while, but I don't see any color that I like. And you know, when I'm young and I didn't pay much attention about Hermès. I usually get into like Louis Vuitton and Chanel, but since I get older, and I think my taste had changed, and also my job had changed also, and I get into more Hermès than Louis Vuitton and Chanel, because Hermès they're usually really really clean. They show no logo, and for work I don't want to show much about logo around the work environment. And also my job, I have to take the commute train. That's why I don't want to carry to advertise my bag around, because that is dangerous. And that's why I love Hermès, because if people know, they will know, and if they don't, they don't. Then it keeps me safe, and the color is so pretty, and I love it. And some people just told me, then if you like that, then why you just get like regular brand, like they have no logo and still in leather like Hermès. But well, that's how I am. And this is the box with Hermès, and this is the receipt. And you know, when you order online, the receipts is different, and the receipt of this one is in the envelope, and another one is just like a fold one, it's small, and this one you have a big one, and inside of envelope is another envelope. There's so many envelopes, and the receipt is the same, but this one, in this box I ordered 4 items, and you will see in here let me open it. The first item, I love Hermès package. The pack is so pretty. Okay, here we go. One of them. 2. Let me put this away. And this one, let me open all of them, and I will show you that. I will show you. And let me put this box away. And this is another 2. This all 4. See, and let me open this this one first. This fully, I saw this online, and when I pick up my black collie, this one not available in the store, and so when I see this one online, and order it because it's so pretty. They have some yellow and blue on the side, so this one will go perfectly with my black Kelly. I know in my Kelly inside green, but I like the yellow. You know, if you follow my you see all my video in my YouTube channel, you will see yellow is my favorite color and blue. That's why I got it too. It will go perfect with my Kelly, my new Kelly. And this is for 2 big box here. The big one is this is what did they call, dragon with the country and ice urban color. It retail for $175, and I love Hermès truly. This is the name and the code. If you like interesting, you can ask your SA, or you can look on their website. And I don't know they still have it or not. And this is another big bag. Let I open it. Ding, 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 ding. This is the ULYSSE notebook cover, and this is they call, the color is Rouge Sailor, but it looks like more like brown. You see, like more, not like burgundy. In the website, I see on the website it looks like burgundy, but not. It's in the real, the light and the real light is look like more brown. I have a little bit red tone and underneath it, but more like red. And they have a Hermès stamp right here, and they have 2 button, so you can button the insert, the snap the insert in. And they have the butt with the engraved silver hardware with the Hermès engraving. And on the back of the butt, they have 2 butt right here. They have a Hermès engraved. I will show you to compare the small one with this one, because I got the insert for this note, because this one I get it for my work. Okay, I have the small one before and I love it, and that's why I want to get this for a long time, but they don't have the color that I would like. Why I wait until today and until now. Sorry. And this is the insert, and you see the box is different. You can open like a book. And the insert for this one, the cover is, the price is $340, just a piece of leather like this. Okay, I like this one because it's really light and easy to carry, because every day I have to carry my backpack and all the file and everything is heavy, and my computer. That's why I just want to something is very light. And this is the insert in the front. You see they have a, I hope you can see it, is they have a Hermès. Let me put something dark underneath so you can see it. You see they have Hermès logo here, and they have the the thing you can snap on the cover. On the snap, they have a logo, Hermès logo also. See, I show you, like this one. See, and they have 2 buttons, so you can snap it on. And I don't know how many pages for this one, but the paper is very thin and it's very smooth. I love this one. I know it's kind of pricey, but I really love it. That's why I enjoy it so much. And what is it? Oh, they just say this is the I just put in the dark one, and so you can see it. Yeah, it comes with the notebook. Let me put this one in and show you. See, that's it, easy. And when you're done, you can order the new one, so you can replay with the new insert. And this is the medium size. They have 4 sizes: the mini, small, medium, and this is MM, and another size is GM. But I think this is not big enough for me. And this is the small PM. This is the PM size I have last year, and this you can see how big it is. And between the small and the medium, and I don't have the piece of paper here. I can show you the A11s. Yeah, I have the mini. No, I have the insert of the mini, but not the cover, because I don't see they have any color that I like for the mini yet. That I'm still waiting. And when I'm in store last time, and they don't have the color, the pretty color for the mini that I like. That's why I didn't get it. And that is the notebook that I love the smell of the leather. It smells so good. And this one is, you see what I mean, when I have meeting or at work, and I just use this, and people it's not attract to people what brand that I'm using, and because I like Hermès, that's why I want to use it. That's all. Because I can if I use the Louis Vuitton or Chanel, people will know it right away, and it's not good when I go to work and show up with luxury like that in the office, yeah, where I work. But most of the another work area, like you or don't care about it, or they love to show up the luxury brand logo, is don't quote me on it, because this is my my personal that I just want to share with you, and depend on your work lifestyle, and don't it's up to you. But this is how I prepare, because I don't want to attract so many people, and like they would say, oh, I just show up like that. I don't want it. And this is another insert for the small size. This is the calendar, actually not the notebook. And this is the notebook I have. I keep all my information, work information in here, and just like passwords, and because I have like ton of passwords I cannot remember, and that's why I keep all the information, the real important information in here, and keep in my backpack or in my garden party 36 when I go to work. And this is the 2 items will go with me to work every day. And this is another insert I got it because when I ordered it, but I'm still looking. I'm waiting for another cover for the PM side for this calendar. And this calendar is, I really like it because it have enough room for me to write every day. And you can see the same like the notebook, but they have the color in the front, just orange, like orange color, you know, like Hermès is orange color, their signature. And on the back, a 365 plus 1 day. And also they have like a sheet of film to protect it, and same like notebook. And they have 2 buttons on this thing, then you can snap on the cover. And same thing like this one, they have a Hermès logo. And on the back and inside they have a tab, like every day when you watch day, you can remove the tab then put it in. And oh sorry, upside down. And see, each day they have enough room for me to write what need the to-do list for the day. And like sometimes most of the time I put on my phone, but I'm really old-fashioned style. I write out everything, and I used to use the calendar, but this is the perfect size for me, and so I can carry every day to work, like this too, and this. But I will wait for another color, maybe orange or green, because for this calendar. And that's it for today. I have to show you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm really appreciate for your time, and I hope you enjoy this video. And I will have another video full review on this notebook when I get another cover for the mini and this calendar. Then I will have that video to get for you to see how comparison between this one, these two, and another mini size. Again, thank you so much for your time, and I wish all of you have a healthy and happy new year. And I hope the year of 2021 will get better for all of us, so we can get back to normal life. And I know it's some of you, even me, is very hard time in the year of 2020 because the pandemic. But we keep our hope, right? Things will get better. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in next video. I will try my best to have more videos as much as I can. And thank you, and see you. Bye bye.